Hello, how you guys? I greet you all with the time in your country or your different locations. I remain Okoye Timothy Mark. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Okoye Timothy Mark. Also like and comment for updates in what we have started. Today, I want to expatiate the secrets of division by 5. Each multiples like 50, 500, 5,000, and each submultiples. Now let's look at it. Anytime you divide a number by 5, 5 has one digit. So you divide a number by 5, which has one digit. That 5 has one digit. Simply double that number and shift the decimal place one step backwards. For example, have you ever asked yourself why 1 over 5 is 0.2? Let me explain it. When I double 1, it becomes 2. And 2, you know, is same as 2.0. So what do? I will shift the decimal place, which is this place, one step backward. So the 0 comes in front of this place. I have it as 0.2. If I divide 25 by 5, this is what you have always say. You always say 5. But let me tell you the secret. I'll simply double 25. That becomes 50. And 50 is sent as 50.0. So I will shift the decimal place one step backward. That becomes 5.0. Hence 25 over 5 is 5.0. If I have 3.6 all over 5, I'll double the digits. So the digit is now double is 7.2. When I see the decimal place one step backward, I have it as 0.72. Hence 3.6 over 5 is 0.72. No matter it is, even if I have 0.00837 and I want to divide it by 5, no problem. I just have to double digits. That's 0.01674. I will shift the decimal place one step forward. When I shift it one step forward, this decimal place, so it comes here. The answer becomes now 0.001674. Even if it is 0.94 and I want to divide by 5, just double the digits. That is 1.88. See the decimal place one step forward because 5 has one digit. That's 0.188. If it is by 50 which now has 2 digits. If it's 50 that has 2 digits, I'll shift it 2 decimal step backward after doubling the number. 500 that has 3 digits, I'll shift it 3 steps backward after doubling the number. The decimal place 3 steps backward. 500 that has 4 digits, I'll shift it 4 decimal places backward after doubling the number. Hence, whenever I divide a number by multiple of 5, simply double the number and see the decimal place backward the number of times the multiple of 5 has digits. Let me repeat it. Whenever I divide a number by multiple of 5, multiple of 5 in this case are like multiples of units, not just 5, 10, 50, no, just 5, 50, 500. Double the digit of that number and shift the decimal place backward number of times there are digits in that multiple of 5. Let me, for instance, I have 1 over 50. 150 has 2 digits, so I'll double 1. 1 becomes 2, and of course 2 is like 2.0. So I'll shift the decimal places. How many number of times? 2 backward. So this first one becomes 0.2. Second one was 0.02. So the answer becomes 0.02. Hence 1 over 50, 0.02. So like now 0.00s37, and I want to divide by 500. I'll double the thing as usual, 0.01674, and I'll shift it how many decimal places backwards? 3, because of 500 has 3 digits. So I'll shift it, if I shift here 1, it becomes 0.00, shift again 2 and 3. So that's now, here is now, this decimal place comes here for this one, moves here to this one, moves here to this one. So that means I'll present 0, 0. So the answer becomes now 0.00001674. If by 5,000, you see through the number of decimal places. That is division by 5 and its multiples. Now let's look at division by 5 and its submultiples. Submultiples like 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, etc. Whenever you divide a number by a submultiple of 5, double the digit of that number. Just double that number. Let me put that way. Double the number. And shift the decimal places. Number of times there are 0 in the decimal part of that submultiple of 5. Number of times there are 0 in the decimal part of that submultiple of 5. For instance, 1 over 0.5, I'll double the digits, that is 2, and this is 2.0. There is no 0 here, so I'll leave the answer as 2. That's now 2. Even if I give me 3.9 over 0.5, I'll double it, that's now 7.8. There's no 0 inside the 0.5. There's no 0 in the decimal part of it, so the answer becomes 7.8. But if you give something like 1 over 0.05, I'll double it. There's 1 0 inside the decimal part of this number, so I'll shift it 1 step forward. That becomes what? 20. Hence 1 over 0.05 is 20. We give it 3.9, even 3.96 or 0.05. When I double this one, I have 7.92. Then how many zeros are inside here? 1 0 inside the decimal part. So shift it forward, that's now 79.2. If there are, let's say 3.6, let's say 13.63 all over 0.0005. The rule still remains double is 27.26. How many zeros are inside here? 3 zeros. So I'll shift the decimal place 3 steps forward. 1, 2, and 3. So that's answer comes on 2726. Because when you have exhausted the digits, you now use 0 to make it up. If I have 45 all over 0.0000, how many zeros are inside now? Okay, 5 zeros, which is sent as also written as 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6, or you write it or 5.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Just double the number, which is 90. Then see the decimal places. The number of times we have zeros inside this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this now, as you see, this you see the first one here, it has 0 here. Of course, there's already 0 here. 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's now 5. So that's now 90 and 1,000. Okay, not 90,000. So that's now 9 million. etc. That is the secret of division by 5, its multiples and submultiples. Thank you. God bless you. And still remember, subscribe, like, and comment to my YouTube channel. Okoye Timothy Mark. See you next video.